Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar Navata. Student, today I am going to discuss some questions, some examples of exercise 2A, chapter Polynomials. So, my first example is find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x minus 12 and verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficients. Okay, find the zeros of the polynomial. For students, 2x square plus 5x minus 12 is the polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial because this is the 2-degree polynomial. Maximum power of the variable is 2. क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल्स में x के दो वैल्यूज आएंगे और जिस क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल्स के दो जीरोज होंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फैक्टराइज दिस ट्राइनोमियल. दिस इज द ट्राइनोमियल. देयर आर थ्री टर्म्स प्रेजेंट इन दिस पॉलिनोमियल and this polynomial is called trinomial. Starts solution. Let px equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 12. Students, let px, p for polynomial, x in the variable of this polynomial. Okay, so let px equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 12. So we factorize px equal to 2x square minus 12 into 2 minus 24x square plus 8x and minus 3x. So students, 8x minus 3x equal to 5x and plus minus minus 8 3 ja 24x square minus 12 2 ja 24x square minus 12. Okay, first upon 2x square plus 8x, 2x is x square plus 8x. In both terms 2x is common. 2x is common, then rest is x and plus 4. And rest two terms minus 3 is common and x plus 4. 4 3 ja 12. Okay. So we have two terms and both terms x plus 4 is present. In both terms x plus 4 is present. So x plus 4 is common and rest 2x minus 3. Okay. So x plus 4 and 2x minus 3 is the factor of the polynomial px. Okay. And the zeros of the polynomial. So px equal to 0. Therefore px equal to 0. It means 2x square plus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. It means x plus 4 into 2x minus 4. X plus 4 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And x plus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 4. And 2x minus 3 equal to 0, so x equal to 3 by 2. And the two zeros of this polynomial is minus 4 and 3 by 2. So hence the zeros of the polynomial px are minus 4 and 3 by 2. Okay, minus 4 and 3 by 2 are the two zeros of this polynomial. So a student, find the zeros of the polynomial. So हमने क्या किया, find zeros इस polynomial का हमने क्या किया, by factorization method से हमने क्या किया, निकाला. अब verify the relationship between the its zeros and the coefficient. इसके zeros और इसके coefficients के बीच में relationship हमें दिखाना है. So sum of the zeros, zeros, it means -4 और +3/2, -4 + 3/2, it means 4 2 जा 8, -8 + 3 equal to -5/2, -5/2. So 5 is the coefficient of x, 5 is the coefficient of x. So minus in bracket coefficient of x divided by 2, 2 is the coefficient of x square, divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, and the product of zeros equal to -4 multiply 3/2, -4 3 ja 12, -12/2. Okay, so -12 is the constant term divided by 2 is the coefficient of x square. Okay, students, our next example is example number 4. Same questions. Obtain the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Find obtained. In first question, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. In this question, obtain the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. बात उतना ही है कि हमको zeros find करना है, ठीक है ना. तो obtain the zeros of the quadratic polynomial √3x² minus 8x plus 4√3 and verify the relation between the its zeros and the coefficients. Same questions. So let's start solution. First of all, let px equal to √3x² minus 8x plus 4√3. We factorize px. First of all, we factorize px. So √3x² and 4√3. 4√3 multiply √3. √3 multiply √3 equal to 4√3 multiply √3. 3 and 4 3 ja 12. So 12x². And split the middle term -6x and -2x. Minus plus and 6 2 ja 12x². And -6x and -2x equal to -8x. Okay, plus 4√3. Okay, and by grouping √3x 6 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 multiply 2 और 3 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं √3 multiply √3 multiply 2. इट मीन्स √3 2 √3. अगर एक √3 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो 2√3 शेष बचेगा, है ना. चलिए, तो √3x इज कॉमन इन बोथ टर्म, √3x. सो हियर रेस्ट इज x एंड -2√3. 6 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं √3 multiply 2 multiply √3. एक √3 कॉमन लेंगे तो 2√3 शेष बचेगा. तो -2 इज कॉमन, देन रेस्ट इज x minus 2√3. Okay, and x minus 2√3 is common and rest is √3x minus 2. Okay, so the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so px equal to 0. Px equal to 0, it means √3x² minus 8x plus 4√3 equal to 0. And it means x minus 2√3 into √3x minus 2 equal to 0. So we write कि x minus 2√3 and √3x minus 2 equal to 0. And टू कंडीशन, x माइनस 2√3 इक्वल टू 0, तो x इक्वल टू 2√3 एंड √3 x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0, तो x इक्वल टू 2/√3. ओके, सो this is the zeros of this polynomial, 2√3 and 2/√3. So we write so 2√3 and 2/√3 is the zeros of the polynomial px, polynomial px. Okay, and verify the relations between the zeros and coefficients. So we find sum of the zeros and sum product of the zeros. So sum of the zeros equal to 2√3 plus 2/√3. Okay, so √3 3 to 6 or to 8/√3, 8/√3, तो 8, so minus coefficient of x, तो √3x square minus 8x plus 4√3, so minus 8 is the coefficient of x, minus 8 is the coefficient of x, so minus coefficient of x and √3 is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. Okay, and the next is product of the zeros, product of the zeros equal to 2√3 multiplied 2/√3. It means 4√3 divided by √3. So 4√3 is the constant term, 4√3 is the constant term, divided by √3 is the coefficient of x square, of x square. So that's all. Students, our next example is example number 6. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros is √2, sum of whose zeros is √2 and their product, it means product of the zeros is minus 12. Hence find the zeros of the polynomial. इस क्वेश्चन में सम ऑफ द जीरोज हमें दिया हुआ है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोज भी दिया है, तो हमें क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल निकालना है. फाइंड द क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल और उसके जीरोज भी फाइंड करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक फार्मूला एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स इंटू अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा के फार्मूले पर सेट कर हम इसका क्या निकालेंगे, क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल, और उसको फैक्टराइज करके उसका जीरोज फाइंड करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. Let the required polynomial be px. मान लेते हैं कि जिस रिक्वायर्ड पॉलिनोमियल को हम लोग फाइंड कर रहे हैं वो क्या है, px है. एंड अल्फा एंड बीटा with the zeros of the polynomial px. So given alpha plus beta equal to √2, sum of the zeros is √2, so alpha plus beta equal to √2 and the product is minus 12, so alpha into beta equal to minus 12. Okay, so students, the required polynomial px equal to x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So we put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. For x square minus x and alpha plus beta equal to root 2. So root 2 and plus alpha into beta equal to minus 12. So the required polynomial is x square minus root 2x and minus 12. Okay. So this is the required polynomial, x square minus root 2x or minus 12. Okay. And find the zeros of this polynomial. Now px equal to x square minus root 2x and minus 12. We factorize this polynomial. So minus 12 x square minus root 2x minus 12. So x square minus 3 root 2x plus 2 root 2x. So 3 root 2x में 2 root 2x चला गया तो minus root 2x. Okay, and plus minus minus और 3 2 जा 6 and root 2 is 2. तो 6 2 जा 12 x square and minus 12. Okay, and let common x and x minus 3 root 2 and plus 2 is common, 2 root 2 is common for x minus 3 root 2. Okay. We have two terms and both terms present in x minus 3 root 2. So x minus 3 root 2 is common, for rest is x plus 2 root 2. Okay. Friend, px equal to 0. It means x minus 3 root 2 and x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Two conditions, x minus 3 root 2 equal to 0 for x बराबर 3 root 2 and x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0 for x equal to minus 2 root 2. Okay, so 3 root 2 and minus 2 root 2 is the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, our next example is example number 7. Is a very easy problem. So if the product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 6x minus 6 is 4, product of the zeros is given in this question is 4. Find the value of a. Okay, find the value of a, where a is the coefficient of x square. So find the coefficient of x square in this polynomial. So let's start solution. First of all, given is product of the zeros, product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 6x minus 6 equal to 4. This is given. Product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 6x minus 6 equal to 4. And this is the quadratic polynomial. So it has two zeros of this polynomial. First is alpha and second is beta. One zero is alpha and other is beta. So product of the zeros of this polynomial, it means alpha into beta equal to 4. Okay, and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Product of the zeros equal to c by a. C is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. So alpha into beta equal to c by a equal to 4. Okay, we know that the product of the zeros equal to c by a, and c is the constant term and divided by a is the coefficient of x square, and sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a. B is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. So here in this question we use product of the zeros. Okay. So alpha into beta equal to 4 and we write alpha into beta equal to c by a equal to 4. So phi is the constant term and constant term in this polynomial is minus 6. So we put the value of phi is minus 6 and a is the coefficient of x square. Minus 6 equal to 4a and a equal to minus 6 by 4. 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, minus 3 by 2. Okay, the value of the a equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, our next example is example number 8. If one zero of the polynomial a square plus 9x square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. A square plus 9 is the coefficient of x square, 13 is the coefficient of x and 6a is the constant term of this polynomial. Okay, so one zero of this polynomial is the reciprocal of the other. मतलब अगर एक जीरो हमारा अल्फा है तो दूसरा जीरो 1 by अल्फा है. अल्फा and 1 by अल्फा is the reciprocal to each other. 2 and 1 by 2 is the reciprocal to each other. So first 0 is alpha, then the other is 1 by alpha. So let's start solution. Let 1 0 of the polynomial of the given polynomial is alpha and the other zeros is the reciprocal of the other. So other zero is 1 by alpha. Okay, one zeros of the given polynomial is alpha and the other is 1 by alpha because the one zero of the polynomial is the reciprocal of the other. तो एक को अल्फा मान लीजिए तो दूसरा क्या हो जाएगा 1 by अल्फा. ओके, एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. ए का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो ए स्क्वायर प्लस 9 इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एंड 6a here 6a is the constant term and constant term and the coefficient of x square is the relation of the product of the zeros. Okay, so first of all we find the product of the zeros. Since the product of the zeros so product of the zeros equal to alpha into 1 by alpha. So alpha is cancel equal to 1. Okay, one zeros of the given polynomial is alpha and the other is 1 by alpha and the product of alpha into 1 by alpha equal to 1. Okay, and we know that the product of the zeros equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. It means c by a, c for constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. So constant term in this polynomial is 6a. This is 6a and divided by coefficient of x square equal to a square plus 9 is the coefficient of x square. So a square plus 9. Okay, and product of the zeros equal to 1. So first 0 is alpha and the second is 1 by alpha. So 1 equal to 6a by a square plus 9. By cross multiplication, a square plus 9 equal to 6a. Okay, and a square minus 6a plus 9 equal to 0. A square minus 6a plus 9 equal to 0. We factorize of this a square minus 6a plus 9. So a square 3a minus minus plus 3 3 is 9a square और minus 3 and minus 3 minus 6a plus 9 equal to 0. So a is common, a minus 3 is there, minus 3 is common, so a minus 3 equal to 0. So a minus 3 and rest is a minus 3 equal to 0. So a minus 3 का whole square equal to 0. So a minus 3 equal to 0. So a equal to 3. Okay. So a equal to 3. The value of the a equal to 3.